Good afternoon. Today is Tuesday, November 3rd. It is the day before Election Day here in Belize, so our team knocked off a little early to head back home to cast their ballots. I thought I'd do a little follow-up construction update. As you can see, a lot of the drywall has been placed throughout the casino. A lot of the edges have been smoothed out for finish. The drywall's up around behind the poker room. The exterior of the bathrooms. All the columns have been wrapped, wired for power and data for slots. For example, in this location, you can see the floor marked for a bank of 14 machines facing 7 facing in each direction. With power and data supplied from the column. We'll head out to the bar area. You'll notice the 6 notches as we get out here cut into the bar. They are locations for video poker that will go in the bar top. We're getting the bar set for template to drop the remainder of the granite and the cabinetry that will go in the bar. Take a second to look outside too. And then we have our sportsbook area. As I mentioned before, we'll have 4 TVs. You can see the hanging points for the TVs in the drywall all set up. And there we have it. Casino at the Placencia opening this December.